The CKH1000 is a fully automatic machine with efficient operation and a compact structure. It is capable of packing up to 16,000 ice creams per hour. The equipment consists of 5 fundamental modules. Module 1 starts with the distribution of 5 ice creams into 5 different lines. Its goal is to align and space out the lines of ice creams and increase the spacing between each surrounding ice cream. In Module 2, 60 ice creams are correctly and orderly stacked, then pushed into transport containers, which transport the ice creams to Module 3. In Module 3, ice creams are pushed from the transport containers into baskets for packing. This module allows for packing 60 ice creams into 5 different boxes, with 12 ice creams per box. This module is fed with 5 boxes generated by Module 4. Module 4 has a generation and taping capacity of 1,350 boxes per hour and a storage capacity of 200 boxes. Once the no-load operation of the equipment ensures its proper functioning without load, verifying each module from ice cream distribution to final box sealing. This test allows for the identification and correction of any issues before mass production. Factory acceptance testing, FAT, of the equipment validates its performance under factory conditions. These tests ensure that all modules of the equipment, from ice cream distribution to final packing and sealing of the boxes, operate according to specifications. Customers can witness and verify the correct functioning before shipment and installation at their site.